You might have heard about the 3-day color grading challenge by now, and you probably wonder, what is this all buzz about? So let me tell you a little more. After 20 years of teaching color grading and more than 7 years working as a researcher in the area of AI and color, I believe that we find ourselves today at an inflection point where AI is not just a fad, it really helps us color grade better and faster. But most importantly, it allows us to shorten the color grading learning time down to only 3 days. Sounds very ambitious, and it is, which is why I'm calling it a 3-day color grading challenge. So I am trying to see whether it's possible to take a group of complete beginners, give them free software, and teach them how to color grade in only 3 days. I have a special method of teaching, so in 3 days you're going to cover first all the theory, then you're going to learn the tools, and then you're going to learn all the practical and great and cool stuff like look building, shot matching, drone matching, interviews, all the things that you really need to do to make your images look absolutely amazing. I guarantee you that at the end of those 3 days, you're going to be looking at your image completely differently. So join me, starting April 1st, 3 days color grading challenge.